ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Now tignan natin kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Page of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So parang lately nagiging generous si person ng kanyang time, energy, effort. Nagkakaroon na rin na siya ng communication or parang siya na nag-initiate ng communication natin. Even parang meron din itong mga plans of giving us abundance, no? It may be literally money or parang mangangako na ito si person na I'm going to invest in you. Again, whether this is literally abundance or yung pera, whether this is the commitment, the time, the effort, no? Parang nakikita mo may investment na si person. Meron na itong, siya na mismo nag-initiate. Parang kung dati hinihingi mo pa yung oras niya, humihingi ka pa ng attention, ngayon, parang si person mismo ang nagbibigay sa'yo, no? Hindi mo na, parang wala nang pilitan. Medyo generous na nga. The Knight of Swords. So, bakit parang nagmamadali si person dito? Si person ba nagmamadali or ikaw? The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Hermit and the Four of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, late yung parang late reaction ang nangyari, late yung realization. I think kaya ganito si person dahil naapektuhan ito ng Four of Cups, which I feel like siguro you got fed up with ako na lang ng ako yung nag-i-invest ng time, ng energy, ng kumbaga ako yung nagbibigay kay person, no? I think it's time naman for my person to actually invest in me. Parang hindi na lang palagi yung nakakapagod din, no? Kung ikaw yung palagi nag-o-offer ng mga bagay-bagay. I feel like even to a point na siguro ikaw na nga yung nagkaroon ng ikaw na lahat, even yung lalo na kung sa mag-asawa. Siguro dumating yung point na you're the one even putting food to the table, no? And I mean it literally. No, I mean it literally. Parang ikaw na yung nagtrabaho. Wala naman yung problema kasi ganun talaga, lalo na kung mag-asawa, give and take. Pero parang napansin mo dito lately, oy, sandali. Kung ganito ang magiging situation, di ba? Through thick and thin. Yes, that's given, no? However, kung malakas ka naman at parang wala kang ginagawa, I think nakakatamad din, no? Mag-support ng isang tao, no? Kung instead of you're giving me an inspiration, you became desperation. You became pabigat. So, I'm sorry to say, pero meron talagang dumadating yung time na ganyan. So ngayon, parang, nawalan, parang hindi na ito yung relationship na gusto ko. So dumating yung time siguro na, parang binaliwala mo na lang din siguro itong relationship. Parang, tinamad ka na. And parang napansin yun ni person. So ngayon, eto na siya. Siya naman ngayon yung, sige, diyan ka lang, no? Parang bumabawi ba? So may pagbawi na ngayon si person. With the Three of Pentacles, so, ano itong realization? Kasi may realization ka, or siya, the King of Cups and the King of Swords. Yeah. I think parang sabi mo dito, hindi na puro hindi tayo puro pag-ibig, no? Siguro someone here is more attached into the reality that's, well, siguro meron dito water signs. Well, that's given the fact with the King of Cups. Parang sinasabi dito, napaka-dreamy, no? Hindi masamang mangarap, hindi masamang magkaroon ng dream, hindi masamang mag-daydream, no? Pero parang samahan natin ng actions. Parang yung ang sinasabi dito, bakit puro pangako? Gumalaw-galaw ka naman, no? Baka may stroke. Ayan. So parang ngayon, ayan na siya, gumagalaw na siya. Pero it takes a while. Kung hindi ka pa nagalit with the Queen of Swords, parang medyo naging straightforward tayo dito. The King and Queen of Swords showed up. Parang sinabi mo rin na bakit palagi tayong nag-aaway? Ayan, so nagbabangayan. Parang, I'm so sick and tired of this relationship. Now, kung patuloy mo yung gagawin, no? Kung patuloy mong gagawin yung kabulastugan mo, I feel like, ikaw na lang, no? Kung mapapahamak pa ako, ikaw na lang. So, siguro may mga pagkakataon din na talagang you saved your person, no, from despair. I don't know, baka meron pa ditong ikaw pa nagpapiyansa for, you know, some percentage ng nanonood dito. Minimal lang naman. Baka kailangan ako pa nagpapiyansa. Hindi ko naman yung kasalanan. So, you know, practically speaking, you're the one who's into, sabi ko nga, attached to the reality. Kaya sabi mo, ay, hindi ko naman parang nabawasan pa yung ipon ko, no? Imbis na sana nagamit ko or nagamit na lang namin into another way, bakit kailangan pang gumastos para sa ibang bagay? So parang, I'm getting tired. But I think that your person here, the Four of Pentacles, doesn't want to, mawala ka sa buhay niya. So that makes sense. So ito palang investment ni person na ginagawa is more of nagbabago. Okay, well at least may pagbabago. At least meron ng realization. Pero yun nga lang, the Two of Pentacles. Ikaw na to. You're kind of juggling. Bibigyan ko pa ba to ng chance? Meron pa ba talaga itong pag-asa? The Hangman, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. Well, sabi naman dito ng energy, no, you might be in a situation of thinking if giving your person a chance. Pero kasi with the Eight of Pentacles, your person's doing their might para maisakato para naman itong pagbabago niya. Although it needs a little time for waiting, but I am seeing that your person here is doing their best para magbago. So, ayun nga. Ito-test lang yung pasensya mo dahil totoo naman nagbabago na si person. Yun nga lang, ikaw pa rin makakasagot niyan kung are you willing to let go or you're willing to wait for these changes. This is your reading. Natingnan natin kung ano yung zodiac sign, pero bago yan, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo po ay merong mga tanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yan. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Aquarius, Gemini, Pisces, Libra. Yan, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.